Hey everybody, this is Erica, the technology nerd who likes to film stuff, and this is the new Nintendo 2DS XL Pikachu Edition. This just came out today. Now this has been released in Japan for some time now, and I really didn't think we were going to get this, so I'm super excited to open this. You guys have been asking me endlessly, please unbox this one, take a look at it. So here we go. Also on the desk with me, I have the Pokeball Edition 2DS XL, so we can just compare that a little bit. And I've also got two other Pikachu Edition handhelds from Nintendo. Yes, you can tell that I hate Pikachu. So this is the yellow Pikachu Edition in the new 3DS XL, and then we have the Game Boy Advance SP, also in yellow. And what I'm curious to see is what the yellow is going to look like on this guy. I think that this one more favors the look of scrambled eggs, where I really favor the yellowish look of this Game Boy Advance SP. So let's go ahead and open the box. So you can see there's a cute Pikachu face right here. And you can see that it's actually 3D where his face is and also the cheeks. So just standard box otherwise, but a very cute box. Go ahead and pull this. Pikachu, of course. Pull that up. And another Pikachu. Nope, that's the same Pikachu. Pull open the flaps. What's nice is that we actually do get a charging adapter. And then it's just this part right here. Set that aside. So the rest is pretty much just packaging. Ah, look, you can see his face right there. That is so cute. So let's remove that. Take him out. Looks like they just give some quick start guide instructions. Of course, they still give you the AR cards too. Can't forget to show those. And let's take him out. And there we are. And oh my goodness! It's actually an in-between yellow of all of these. How funny. So here's this scrambled egg yellow. Here's this almost kind of orangey yellow, and it's kind of right in between all of those. Interesting. This might actually be my favorite yellow, though. Look how adorable that is. And you can see that the face does stand out there right in his mouth area and a little bit on the cheeks, too. And I love this brown that we have here. This is like true Pikachu colors. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, that's got a nice clicky sound. What I love about the Pikachu units is that they are yellow all throughout. And look at those brown buttons. That looks really nice. Let's just explore it a little bit. So right here we have a little black accent. This is for your headphones, also for the stylus. And then everything else seems to be little brown accent buttons. Here for the power button. Then we've also got the volume switch, the LR and ZR buttons. So that is just an incredibly cute unit. And I'm really happy to see this because I was actually a little bit bummed with the new 3DS XL because they didn't put any accent colors of Pikachu. This thing is just an interesting scrambled eggy yellow all throughout. But you can see on the Game Boy Advance SP, you've got some black. This kind of looks like his ears. When you open it up, you've got the brown. So they did a very good job with this unit. Oh, good. So it's already been turned on. Now, a lot of you guys are probably going to ask, do these have TN screens? And yes, I think that all of these are going to be TN screens, honestly. One thing that I was able to point out is that this screen is the exact same screen that we have in the new 3DS XL, so you just don't have the parallax barrier anymore to give it that 3D effect. But pixel-wise, it's actually got the same amount of pixels as the new 3DS XL. So you've got 800 pixels across. So they're just reusing panels. So of course, they're not going to source new panels, and they're not going to give you IPS here. This is what they've got left over. If you get an IPS version, I'd be very curious. Let's go ahead and set it up, make sure it works. Okay, so after turning it on and setting it up, this is a real treat, you guys. This unit is really nice. And I'm happy that actually my top and bottom screens have the same color temperature, and these screens don't look bad at all for TN screens. Of course, you don't get the best of viewing angles. But I've been pretty lucky actually with this unit and my Pokeball 2DS XL because I have uniform screens on both top and bottom on both of these. And actually look pretty nice and decent for their color temperature as well. I'm very picky, you guys know that. Another thing that I'm noticing is that this has kind of a finish to it, a very matte feel to it, which feels very nice, but I have my suspicions that the plastic may not be yellow, it may be actually gray and then painted with a finish. So I'm a little bit concerned to see what this is going to look like over time if it scratches. The one indication I have of it possibly being a different colored plastic underneath, when I open this up, I can see a bit of yellow paint staining on this gray part here. So at least some of it is painted. I would not doubt that at least the top and also the hinge right here are painted yellow. I can tell that the red on this 2DS XL Pokeball Edition plastic truly is red plastic. It's not painted. I treat everything super nice, so I don't anticipate this getting any scratches, but I'd be curious to hear from others over time what theirs looks like. So here we have them side by side. I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks on me or what, but it looks like the little pad here is actually lighter than on the red unit. And you can see that this has black buttons on the inside, where this one has the brown ones. The only unfortunate thing about having these black buttons when you're not in very good lighting is that I can't tell if it says X, Y, A, or B. I think that's going to be a less of a problem with these brown ones. If you have them memorized perfectly, it's not a problem. My stick feels nice. Everything feels nice. It's a really nice unit. And the last little tidbit that I've noticed is that both the nose and the mouth are not part of this front panel here. They're actually separate, and you can see how cute. It's a little bit recessed, and this pokes out just a little bit to give him a nose. So they really did pay such good attention to detail on this. And of course, if you haven't seen the front of what this one looks like, we've got the white and the red plastic and a pressable button right here, which doesn't function or do anything. It just looks nice and feels nice too. I end up clicking this a lot. So let me know what you guys think about this Pikachu edition. It is really adorable. I bet that they're going to sell out very, very quickly, so you probably want to go get your hands on one. I saw these ones around for a little bit of time. From time to time, I think I still see them in the store. But this one, I bet you, is going to sell out even faster. So this has been Erica, the technology nerd, likes to film stuff. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you are reminded of new videos coming out. I will have my Razer phone review up as well this weekend. So stay tuned for that. Have a good night, everybody.